Alright, here we are going down the road. With that lovely noise. Isn't that just delightful? Yeah. That is a, I don't know what that is. Wheel bearing? Brakes? Here, let me put on the brakes, see what happens. Oops. Didn't mean to honk the horn, sorry. Oops, didn't mean to honk the horn. Alright, let's listen some more. Don't want to spill my coffee in my lap. Yeah, I probably thought I honked at it. Well, people hear it pretty good now. What is that, fellas? I'm thinking that's the brake pad grinding up the caliper. That's what I'm thinking it is anyway. Well, I need to get a caliper. Well, two rotors, set of brake pads, and, you know, redo this whole front end of these cars, the braking system. All easy to say. Don't get paid till Friday. If I go to the store and buy it, it's going to be about $140 for the parts. If I order it online, it's going to be about $50 for the parts. Yeah, about $50. Well, gosh darn it. Joys of driving an old beater to work, I guess.